And what goes better with a farmhouse brunch than a refreshing and sweet lavender peach lemonade? And it's so simple to make. I love using the natural sweetener of honey in this. When you're buying lavender in the grocery store, make sure you're getting culinary lavender. That's the one that you can eat, and it's gonna be so aromatic in this lemonade. These just need a little time on the heat, and this farm brunch is gonna come together in no time. Here's my cooled off simple syrup with honey, water, and lavender. Lemon juice and freshly squeezed, please. And I've always got some frozen peaches in the freezer. They're so refreshing. And in here, they're gonna add a really nice texture and flavor. Less pulp means a crisp, tart lemonade. What a vibrant color this is. Wow. This has got some flavor. The lemonade screams lemon, a tart, really nice lemony flavor. And I love the sweetness of the peaches. And then in the background, that floral lavender. It's not too strong, but you know it's there. So refreshing.